Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So in this series of video lectures, I'm going to introduce you about robotics. We'll study from the basic, from the scratch. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to robotics part 1. In this, we are going to study about the robot definition, the parameters of robots and the evolution of robots. So let's begin. So first in the introduction, we'll study or see how the robot word came into picture. So the term robot has come from the Czech word robota, which means working laborer. In 2nd Jan 1921, Karel Čapek, a Czech playwright, used the term robot first in a science fiction play named Rozum Universal Robot, that is RUR. So this is the image from the play. Here you can see these are the human-like robots or the humanoid robots. So these robots were placed in the play way back before the robots were developed. So he has used the term robots in its science fiction play. You can Google and read about the play much in detail. In this play, at the end, humans are attacked by the robots or the humanoid robots. As you can see, this is the base where the Terminator movie began, and everywhere you can see finally the robots, humanoid robots, are attacking the humans. So according to him, a robot is a machine look-wise similar of a human being. But other than this, in our latest robots, you can see the human-like resemblance is not much in the robot. Mostly the robot has an arm, a manipulator, and like that. Moving forward, the robot definition. There are many robot definitions. You can search on Google, but I'll tell you about the definition designed by the Robot Institute of America, that is RIA. The definition says it is a reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator. What is a manipulator? I'll just talk later. Designed to move materials, parts, tools or specialized devices through variable program motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. So the definition says it is reprogrammable. You can program the robot as many times you want. It has a multifunctional manipulator. Manipulator is nothing but an arm of a robot. It is designed to move materials, different tools, object, devices through variable program motions for the performance of variety of tasks. So it is reprogrammable and it is used to move objects and perform variety of tasks. So this is the definition of robots by Robot Institute of America. Moving forward, the definition of robotics. How the robotics word came into picture. It is a science which deals with the issues related to design, manufacturing, usage of robots. So the term robotics is nothing but a science which deals with the robots. In 1942, the term robotics was introduced by Isaac Asimov in a story named Run Around. So here he has a book written on it where he has defined the term robotics way back in 1942. Now robotics is made up of all the fundamental subjects like physics, mathematics, mechanical engineering, electronics and computer science. So it is a combination of all the basic subjects. So if you want to become a true roboticist or a robotics person, you have to get the thorough knowledge of all these basic subjects. So you have to study this all. Next you see the three parameters in robotics. So these are the three parameters to build a true robot. As you can see, the parameters are related to the human, that is hand, head and heart. So likewise, if you have to create a perfect robot or an artificial intelligent robot, you have to consider these three parameters to work. So first, the hand. In robot, the hand is named or considered as a manipulator. So as I have mentioned earlier, manipulator is nothing but the arm of the robot. Now head consists of the intelligence, the various programs we use to build a robot, to create an intelligent robot. And finally the heart. As you know, the human emotions are taken into consideration to build a robot, and if this is worked well, there will be a robot with human emotions too. So these are the three parameters which are considered in robotics. Next we'll study about the evolution of robotics, how the robot came into existence when it was first introduced. You'll be surprised to know in the year 1495 the first robot was introduced by none other than the great mathematician Leonardo da Vinci, and its robot was named Leonardo's robot. It was also called as Leonardo's Mechanical Knight, which was a humanoid automation designed and possibly constructed by Leonardo da Vinci around the year 1495. So as you can see here, this is the robot which was made. This was not made by the Leonardo, as this was constructed later by the humans. He had designed this in its book, in its papers, and later on the humans constructed the robot through its notes and articles, and it came out to be a really good robot, which was designed such way back in 1495 using of cables and pulleys and mechanical parts. This robot was a functional robot. It used to stand, sit, raise its visor and independently maneuver its arms, and had an anatomically correct jaw. So in such way back in this year, he had designed a perfect robot. Next, in the year 1937 or 1938, the robot was Electro Robot. It was the nickname of a robot built by the Westinghouse Electric Corporation in its Mansfield, Ohio facility between 1937 and 1938. So this was the robot made in the way back 1937 to 38. It's a human-like robot, and its functions were: it's walk by the voice command, speak about 700 words using 78 RPM, smoke cigarettes, blow up balloons and move his head and arms. So this was much like a very good robot which was made in 1937. Next, in 1961, Unimate robot. It was invented by George Devil in the year 1950. It's the first industrial robot. So Unimate is the company. It's a very first robotic company and a very big company. It was invented by George Devil. So this is the robot. You can see it's like the latest robot. It has an arm, a manipulator, it can move, it can twist, its base is fixed. Functions: various activities using the arm. So from here, from the 1961, the robot evolution was progressed much forward. Next, in the year 1991, the P1 robot made by the Honda company, the P series, it's a chronological progression of the prototype humanoid robots as developed by the company Honda. So this is just the series of P1 robots. It's much like the humanoid robot. The latest type of robot was developed in this year. Various functions of a robot, latest functions can be seen in this robots. Next robot in the year 2017, this is one of the latest robots, the Panda robot, designed by Franca Amica, and it's considered one as the latest robot. As you can see, again here it has a fixed base, but it has various movements which can perform various accurate tasks like the latest robots. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.